Hi, first grade. We're going to practice adding double-digit numbers using base 10 blocks. Let's get started. I'm going to start with my 10 sticks right here. 10, 20, 30. And I'm going to add some ones. 31, 32, 33, 34. So here's my top number. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. There's my number right here, 34. The next step is to make our bottom number 10, 20, 30, and some ones cubes, 31, 32, 33. Now when we're adding up two-digit numbers, 34 and 33, we always have to go to the ones cubes first. And the ones cubes are right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I come over here to the addition sentence, 4 plus 3 is 7. So I'm going to put a 7 right there. And then I have to come over here and I have to count up my 10 sticks. And when we count by our 10 sticks, we have to count by 10. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I'm going to come over here and see 3 plus 3 in the tens place makes 60. So our answer is 67. I'm going to line up our cubes, and then I'm going to add it together. 67, that's our total. Let's try another one. All right, here we go. 10, 20, and let's get some ones cubes. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There's 25. That's our top number right here. And now we're going to build our bottom number. 10, 20, 30, 40. And I'm going to put some ones cubes over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. And now, just like I said before, we have to count up our ones cubes first. So if we look over here at our number sentence, 5 cubes and 3 cubes. Let's add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put that here. 5 plus 3 makes 8. And the 8 goes underneath the line right there. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to count up our 10 sticks. And when we count up our 10 sticks over on this side, we're going to count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So when I come over here, 2 tens and 4 tens makes 6 tens. Then we can line it up and we can see our answer right there, add it up, and it makes 68, just like I showed you. All right, let's try another one. This time I'm going to hide the bottom, and I'm going to have you to try it. Here we go. Oh, I'm going to hide the bottom. There we go. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So there's 42. Let's build our bottom number. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. All right. Just like I told you before, you have to count up the one side first. You have to count your cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. So 6 goes in the ones place. And 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All right, let's see if we can build that number sentence. 42 at the top and 34 at the bottom. Go ahead and count up your ones, and that goes right here. And then count up your 10 sticks, and that goes over in this spot. Go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to line it up for you. All right, here's your ones, and here is your tens. All right, let's see what we get. 2 plus 4 makes 6. And 4 plus 3 in the tens makes 7. We figured it out. Let's try one more. Okay, I'm going to hide the bottom. Let's build our number first. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, there's my top number. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Let's build our bottom number. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So let's line it up. So at the top I have 25, and at the bottom I have 35. Now here's what I'm noticing. When I'm going to go to add up the cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubes altogether makes one 10 stick. So let's add up the numbers. And let's show those 10 cubes turn into a 10 stick over here. 5 plus 5 makes 10. So that goes here. And then that 10 stick comes over to the next side. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And a 10 stick makes 60. Let's check our work. There we go. That's one way you can practice adding two-digit numbers by drawing the tens and ones to show your work. I hope that helps. Thanks. Have a good day.